Welcome back. Got another wood turning video for you today. So while I was gallivanting across the UK with Mr. Jake Thompson, we visited Richard from Brain Fizz and Kat from Hippynoodle. I'll leave all the links down in the description for their channels and social medias. I went out with Richard, Kat and Jake to a private sawmill, and I managed to go and get this. So what I'm going to be turning today is a live edge bowl. It's going to be quite interesting because it goes down quite shallow at one side, so it's going to turn into quite an interesting shape. So let's get on and see how it turns out. I'll catch you at the end of the video. Bye bye.
I see it in your eyes. Yeah, I can read the signs. You need to get away. It's time we make a change. Oh, you know you'll always have me. Baby, I will always stay with you. So put your trust in me. We'll work it out, you'll see. If we get in a car and drive someplace far, yeah, we could go for a ride. The two of us, we don't have to stop. Baby, let's go for a ride. You and I, let us run away. We can go where we want. I'll have your back if you'll have mine. You and I wanna leave everything behind. If you wanted to, promise you we will be alright. If it's you and I want you to myself. We can stay in hotels, just living off the edge. Only good times ahead. So let me put a smile upon your face. Maybe make your worries go away. So put your trust in me. We'll work it out, you'll see. If we get in a car and drive someplace far, yeah, we could go for a ride. You and I, let us run away. We can go where we want. I'll have your back if you'll have mine. You and I wanna leave everything behind. If you wanted to, promise you we will be alright. If it's you and I. You and I, let us run away. We can go where we want. I'll have your back if you'll have mine. You and I.
I love the way you're touching me, electricity, what you're doing to me. I love the way you scream my name and your crazy games, girl, the way you tease me. Just one more time, I cannot fight this feeling. And put your lips to mine, all that I'd ever want. But I know you're not the kind of girl that I can really trust, no. Cause you do whatever you want, baby, what about it? I walk away, I won't get too far. I try to stay miles from where you are. Such a girl gonna break your heart, that's what other people say. kind of love, girl, I really doubt it. Another one you're thinking of, you just shake it up when we talk about it. Just one more time, I cannot fight this feeling. I can't fight it. Put your lips to mine, all that I'd ever want. But I know you're not the kind of girl that I can really trust. No, cause you do whatever you want. Baby, what about it? I walk away. I won't get too far. Stay miles from where you are. Oh yeah, such a girl gonna break your heart. That's what other people say. I walk away. I walk away. Why is it so hard to walk away? Walk away, yeah. Try to walk away. Try to walk away. I know it for a fact that you keep playing with my mind. Playing with my mind. Life could be much better without you, without you. But I know you're not the kind of girl that I can really trust. No, cause you do whatever you want. Baby, what about us? I walk away. I won't get too far. Miles from where you are. Such a girl gonna break your heart. That's what other people say. I walk away. I walk away. Why is it so hard to walk away? So hard to walk away. Try to walk away.